because sometimes, at them time, it seems like my people, them recognize that, But boom, Dandimite was laid to rest. Yeah. The famed friend of the Scare Them crew, member of the Scare Them crew, famed friend of Bounty Killer, the energizer of the crew was laid to rest. Yeah. And many of his friends, families, mourn this loss. And this happened in the week, and I man wanted to, pay homage to the youth, what I say? Because it's a youth that's well loved. As Boom Dandimite was laid to rest, his funeral ceremony was attended by music peers, friends, and families. He was laid to rest July 2nd at the Meadow Rest Memorial Gardens following a funeral service at the Penwood Road Seventh-day Adventist Church in Waterhouse, St. Andrew. The former Scare Them crew member was inside a transparent casket, allowing the attendees to see the dance hall artist in his final state before he was buried. Among those attending were members of the dancehall fraternity such as Harry Toddler, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, General B, Status, and Down Sound Entertainer, CEO Joseph Joe Bonavici, and more. During the service, Harry Toddler reflected on his friendship with Boom Dandimite. I love Dandimite truly, he expressed, adding that the DJ was the 90s boss. Bojanovic also spoke at the funeral, sharing that the deceased was one of his artists who inspired him to make a firm commitment to dancehall reggae. Donovan Stewart, also known as Boom Dandimite, passed away during a complication from an injury sustained in a car accident on Halfway Tree Road in St. Andrew, late April. The emerging DJ, willful, skillful, as also injured but was later released from the hospital while Dandimite remained hospitalized. Dandimite recovered and was discharged from Kingston Public Hospital but later passed away on May 21st while seeking further treatment in the United States. In the 1990s, Boom Dandimite, Nitty Kutchi, Harry Toddler, and Elephant Man were in a popular group called the Scare Them Crew. Their successful song included Pure Gal and Many Many, How Many Gal Get Slammed, True Money, Many Many. On July 21st, Boom Dandimite was scheduled to perform at Reggae Sun Fest as a member of the Boombox 90s Badness lineup, which also featured General B. Harry Toddler, Jixie King, Mega Bantan, Nitty Kutchi, Silver Cat, and Tony Curtis. Jaja, Boom Dandimite, you be miss me, General. You one of them youth that where I don't think really got his dues. You were just a different personality. It's just heartbreaking to know that you pass out like that, my General. Man, big up all of the crew them forward, you Argantine. My condolences to all the family, to all the friends, to the whole crew. Scare Them crew. Judge and no man. Bounty and them man dead. Harry Toddler, General B. All of the fans of dancehall will know say them man has a different personality. And more life and more joy always. More happiness. You just have to live life like it's your last and show love. Yeah, and stop being such a brass ass. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Looking in on the life of a legendary general from the Scare Them crew. Boom Dandimite has been laid to rest finally as his friends and families send out condolences Jaja see and know. Jaja know, my lord. Sure no. He was in an accident, generals, early up in the year, and we can't even believe the man just pass out like that to blouse and skirt. Rasta no. Leave your comment, my family and friends. Share up the content. I'm just giving you a little update on the news right here. Boom Dandimite has been laid to rest in a ceremony at the cemetery. All friends and families sending their condolences, well-wishing. Jaja no. Bounty dep on spot. Beanie Man dep on spot. Rastafari lives. Nitty Kutchy. They are supposed to perform also at the Reggae Sun Fest, July 21st, this month, generals. Big up yourself, your family and friends, because you never know. Never know when a year turn, you know.